So, I've just received this parcel from Bosch. They sent me a tool to try out, so I'm going to open it up, see what's inside. First of all, we've got a 18 volt charger, 4 amp battery, and we've got a jigsaw. So, comes in another one. I've got one of these packs already. Got a track saw. I already know these are really well built. These are good sturdy cases. Charger and the battery. Just open it up, take a look. So we've got the GST 18 volt 155 BC brushless motor. Nice flat surface there. Got the quick release for the blades. What I noticed on this one compared to some other ones I've used, which is very good, the chuck in there that holds the blade in looks very sturdy. Whereas some other jigsaws I've used, it's a bit flimsy, moves around, it can make the blade move. But it looks pretty sturdy. Bosch blade. It does feel quite heavy, but sometimes it's better when with a jigsaw, because some of them are just, you know, it goes all over the place. Bit of a slow start on there, which is ideal. So it's actually, you've got the speed setting and a light on and off on here. So when you press the trigger, this activates. So you can turn the light on and off, or you can change the settings of the speed. The main thing for me with a jigsaw is how sturdy it is, how sturdy this feels, and how sturdy the blade is in there, because sometimes, like I've said, it can go off sideways, and I'm interested to see how well this performs on being stable when it's being used. So yeah, I'll post some more videos over the next few weeks of me using it and seeing how it fares up. So watch out for them.